That's 30 kilometers. And when we came on board, the job was already awarded by the past administration. And so the only new thing in all these locations under President Tinubu is the relief culvert that these two local contractors are putting. And are proving themselves to be of a very high reputation in terms of their works. And we are encouraging many more local contractors. We are encouraging them to come and work because there's so much work. Mr. President inherited 2,600 projects. And before I go on this West Road, people drew my attention to what my very good friend and truly a man of God, Prophet Buba said. He said that the Minister of Work has failed. I read it and I laughed. And I take responsibility for any road that is bad. But I want...
The Honorable Minister of Works, His Excellency Senator Njenje David Umahisio N, has stated that the government at all levels needs to synchronize strategic action plans to tackle the inherited accumulation of road infrastructure challenges in Nigeria. The Honorable Minister made this remark when he visited some federal government's ongoing road projects along the Aba axis of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway handled by Arab Contractors Nigeria Limited. The Honorable Minister, who was received by the Governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Otti OFR, commended the synchronizing synergy between Abia State government and federal government of Nigeria, which has resulted in the major road infrastructure facelift in the state. The Honorable Minister praised the decision of the Governor of the state to prioritize road infrastructure development among his strategic development programs, which he said was pivotal to the enhancement of commercial activities and a catalyst for local economic growth, as well as precursor for self-actualization by the enterprising people of Abia State. He also commended the governor for his sense of purpose and power of supervision, which has made a difference in the infrastructure development history of the state. He said he was gratified that prioritization of the development of critical infrastructure by the governor had attracted the admiration and praise of the people of the state. He said,
with the help of the president, gotten a lot of improvement, especially for Harcourt to Enugu Road. His conference on that road supervising and inviting me. And so we have gone down some of his projects. And I can assure you, as an engineer, that this man is God sent. Yes. I'm very happy with the volume of work he's doing, with the quality of work he's doing. Only God brought him at a time like this. I said to him, if I had this in the past 12 years, Abia wouldn't have been the same.
The federal road projects visited by the Honorable Minister of Works include the rehabilitation of Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway Station 3, Enugu-Aba-PH, Enugu State, and the rehabilitation and reconstruction of Enugu-Port Harcourt Dual Carriageway Station 2, Umuahia-Towa to Aba Township Railroad crossing in Abia State. At the TCE-CC section of the project, the Honorable Minister directed that the section between the railway crossing and Aloji be modified as follows: 4 carriageways, just like Arab section, instead of 2 carriageways. A roundabout to be constructed at the intersection between Port Harcourt Road in Aba and Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. Speaking during the event, the Governor of Abia State thanked the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for the progress of work at the ongoing rehabilitation of the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway, which has reached tremendous milestone delivery since the coming on board of the renewed hope administration of Mr. President. Described the efforts of the Honorable Minister of Works in supervising the work progress as a motivation driven by passion and determination to revolutionize road infrastructure development for the actualization of Mr. President's vision of realizing national economic growth and sustainable prosperity.
I'm here with the Honorable Minister for Works, Deputy Senator Dave Omahi. For us, and I thought I should also bring him to what I'm doing.
This was signed by Honorable Barrister Otti Njenje, Special Advisor Media to the Honorable Minister of Works.